Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for OX. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now our first key level we can plot here is our monthly swing high, which is obvious to spot from these candle body closes, where price came up, hit, and reversed drastically. Now we can also go ahead and plot this key level here, which is our most recent obvious to spot resistance level, where price came up, hit, and is reversed drastically. Now let's also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low. This is the lowest point prices closed on candle bodies for the monthly time frame. And notice we have multiple reactions to the same key level. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. So, here on the weekly, what do we notice? We can go ahead and plot our weekly swing high here, which is obvious to spot on the weekly time frame. We can go ahead and plot a key level here. Actually, let's draw in a zone. As you can see, we have multiple reactions reacting to the same key level as resistance and support. Now let's go ahead and plot a key level here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. We can go ahead and plot a key level here, where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. And on our most recent price action, we can go ahead and plot a key level here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance before price breaks through. And notice how we see a reaction to this key level here acting as resistance. Now, looking at the chart, these are all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frames. So, if price continues to come up, we expect to see reactions at all of these key levels. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.